Hi guys, what's going on everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is your boy Dotun NSL aka D Black. And today guys, I went back to the Lagos Ibadan railway station, which is being built here in Ibadan, Nigeria. Guys, when I tell you my country Nigeria is not just what you see, you know, you need to appreciate what we have got here in Nigeria. Let's celebrate us, guys. Here is the new Nigeria. See this train station here in Ibadan. How beautiful is this thing? The last time I was here, guys, I never knew there would be a lot of changes like this after I went back now. And now, guys, this place is really moving so fast. It's really developing so fast, and guys, you wouldn't believe what you see whenever you go there. So make sure you travel through the train whenever you want to. It's already working, but it's just that they are still making the building. They're still building it right now. So guys, as you can see, the buildings is really looking so nice. The workers are still there. They're working 24 hours, guys. Actually, this place is really big, and I did really appreciate what the government is doing for the people and for our nation Nigeria, guys. So it's really an amazing opportunity, so I can film this for you guys and share the progress of the project with you guys. So I hope you gonna give this video a thumbs up, guys, and leave me more comment below whatever you want to see that is going on here in Ibadan, Nigeria, guys. Hello guys, so I'm currently here at the Ibadan route to Lagos Railway Project Terminal, and this is a part of it, guys. I hope you're gonna smash that like button on this video and stay tuned, share with your friends, guys. Peace. Yes guys, as you hear, make sure you do that. Support your boy by subscribing and sharing my videos, and let's hit 2K together. Also guys, this project has been a lot of millions have been spent by the government on this so that Ibadan people can enjoy the government, and because this is one of a kind, guys. About to jump, guys, just to get more better view of this place for you. Look at that. I'm about to jump. Let's go. So guys, can see the work is still going on there non-stop, guys. I believe before the end of this year, this place should be much done quietly, guys, much done. And you can see this is the terminal space, the building behind us, behind of the terminal, where you pay for tickets and leave and do all these sort of things, guys. And also, yeah, it's going nicely, guys. It's going nicely, and yeah. Hey guys, so we are here live at the Ibadan Lagos Railway, and behind me is the terminal, guys. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you really do, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, The Black React. More vlogs coming up, and through more vlogs around Nigeria, guys. So stay tuned. Peace and love, guys. I'll see you on the next video.